Hello everyone, and welcome to another vlog from the water. Today I'm fishing with Troels Holstein Troels Holstein K, who's the inventor of a fly that's really trending right now. It's called the Høtyv, which makes a lot more sense in Danish, but
the pitchfork.
The pitchfork, yeah. That's a good name. Maybe we can use that in another.
This is the hand slang for it.
It's a great fly, and we're going SEATROUT fishing on the Danish coastline. The conditions looks really well, and there's been caught quite a few fish here in the past couple of weeks. So we're excited.
We're very excited.
We have some hours now to burn fishing for SEATROUT. So stay tuned, and hopefully you'll see a lot of action in this movie.
Sidelines.
Been fishing now for maybe an hour or so. The water out here has, there's the perfect waves and stuff for SEATROUT, but unfortunately there is the water is quite murky, so the fish will have a hard time locating the shrimp. But it's nice to cast in this wind that it's from the wrong side, but with a two-handed rod it's no problem. There was the occasional spot with a bit more clear water where the fish would have a chance to find the fly, but so far nothing. So Troels just went to the next went a bit further down the coast to fish, but he's on his way back as well. So we're gonna find a new spot now. But this can be a really awesome place. This one on the completely exposed coastline here, where you have a chance for a big silver one, but apparently not today.
Det ligesom den anden der, i hvert fald. Hvilke flue kører du med? Det er så lige nummer 2 omkring 60 på 10 kaster.
Yes, man.
Var det godt Daniel. Ja, den er flot, den der. Hold den her, man skal. Hold da. Godt gået, mand. Øj, den er fin, den der.
Ja, den er mega fin.
Han er også over 60. Ja. Den er blank.
Meget blank.
Det er dejligt.
Det er mega dejligt.
Den er fin, den er.
Ja, den er mega flot. Den er flot fisk.
Ja.
Okay. Jeg ved godt, hvor du kommer i nettet.
Den er færdig. Ja tak, Daniel. Den er flot. Den er 60. Det tror jeg.
Jeg tror også, det er tæt på der. Sådan der.
Den er smuk, den er.
Sæt min flot.
Den er 60. Den er i hvert fald 60. I nettet, så kommer den.
Den duer bare.
Hold kæft, det er fedt. Godt gået, Daniel. Tillykke med den.
That was a couple of nice fish me and Troels got there. Really shiny and chrome. Really nice. Troels located a school of fish, and so he was a gentleman about it and caught one, and then told me to come and fish alongside him, and then I went out and got a really nice one. So that was really nice of him. I was very happy with that fish. It was a great fish, and as always, it's nice to see it swim back. The conditions has calmed down quite a bit. This is not normally conditions we would prefer, but it's a good spot, so maybe we can locate a fish here. We have about an hour before we have to head back, so we'll see if we can find a fish more here. Who knows? It seems like we found some fish after all. I just landed a small one, and so did Troels, and we saw a school. I had a couple of fish that grabbed the fly before I actually hooked one. We've seen a bit of fish out in the surface, so they're here. But there is an annoying seal just somewhere out there, but it doesn't seem to affect the fishing. So we'll see if we can find a bigger one now. Conditions are okay. It seems like the wind has picked up a bit. Look at this nice evening. The light is just perfect, but I think it's time to call it a day now. I got 2 more smaller ones and had contact with perhaps 3 more fish. One of them felt really good. It pulled the line out of my hands. Troels got one as well, a smaller fish as well. But it's been a great day fishing both with the two-handed and with the old sector. Conditions are great just now, so hopefully I can get a trip next week as well. That would be nice. There are many fish, and though the conditions are simply just awesome just now. So if you have the chance, go fish. Otherwise, this is me signing off. Thank you so much for watching and for following the channel. And if you haven't done so already, then please subscribe. That would mean a lot. Otherwise, swing by Nordic Anglers, where you can find all the fly fishing gear and stuff and tying you could ever need. So thank you so much for watching, and good luck out on the water.